we haven't met before, right? So whatever we'll do it on the spot. So the success of this 2 minutes will depend on both of us. I just want you to clap. I'm just going to divide, not like that. So എനിക്ക് applause വേണ്ട, താളം തന്നാൽ മതി എനിക്ക്. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to divide these two sections. So section A and section B. So can somebody? Can you hold the mic? Yeah, sure. So section A. I'm going to give you a rhythm pattern. Just try to follow. Okay, let's simplify it. So I'm going to add one thing. These guys are amazing, man. Okay, hold on to that. Section B. Yours is a simpler one. So section A start again. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, order the top. Order accident down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. Section B. 1, 2. You continue. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Ta 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 ta. Okay, so now, thank you. Together. Oh, no, this is not helping. Now it's fine. Okay. So there's a tune also to be sung. La 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 la. Try. One more time. La 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 la. നന്നായി പാടണ്ടല്ലോ, നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും പഠിക്കണ്ട. ഓക്കെ, വൺ മോർ ടൈം. ഓക്കെ, കുറച്ച് കോൺഫിഡൻസ്. ഇപ്രാവശ്യം നമുക്കൊരു ഒരു ഗായകനെ സിംഗറെ പോലെ പാടാം. ലല്ലല്ലാ ലല്ലല്ലാ ലല്ലല്ലാ. Great. 50% job done. Second part. La 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 la. Nice. Oh, I'll sing once. You repeat. First line. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay. ഇനി താളം പിടിച്ച് പാടിയാലോ? ശ്രമിക്കാം. You guys, team A, don't disappoint me, okay? Okay, let's start with team B. Give the normal clap. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stay steady. Community, right? We need to hold each other. Steady ഇരിക്കണം. Team B. Okay, so now do that with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. പുന്നാരക്കാട്ടിലെ പൂവനത്തിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകാം, നിന്നെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. എന്തു തന്നാൽ എന്നെ കൊണ്ടുപോകും. കാക്കക്കറുമ്പ കള്ളക്കുറുമ്പ പട്ടുടുപ്പിച്ച് ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. പൊന്നും വളയിട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. പന്തയം വച്ചൊരു മുത്തം തന്നാൽ കൊണ്ടുപോകാം, നിന്നെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. ലല്ലല്ലാ ലല്ലല്ലാ ലല്ലല്ലാ. La 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 la. Teammates, okay. We'll clap together now. 1, 2, 3, go. La 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 la. La 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 la. Can I hear you? La 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 la. La 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 la. More energy. La 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 la. The ones behind. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, thank you so much, guys. You've been such a wonderful sport. Truly a pleasure to be standing here and have sung for all of you. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. ഇത്രയും ഒരു energy filled performance, sir. We are all blessed and we are all glad that you could make it. Thank you so much, sir.
Now I kindly request our President, Mr. Ranjit sir, to handle a memento to our chief guest, Mr. Shri Kumar Vaikil.
Sorry,
I kindly request our Secretary, Mr. Anup, to handle memento to our chief guest, Shri Kumar.
Huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That was so sweet of you for singing and making us also to sing with you and to vibe with you. Thank you, sir.
Sir, before you leave, we request you to please open the memento. Sir, Anup, can you please help? Yes, Ranjit, you have something to say? Ranjit, I request you to please share a few words.
So I just want to thank Shri for coming here and attending this function, and first of all he accepted our invite and wholeheartedly came here. Please, one more round of big applause. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It just looks so bland, right? An instrument, the color combination, everything. Thank you, guys. Thank you for making my first interaction at a community level in Kerala so memorable. I'm always going to cherish this. Trinity World, you are special. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Ranjit. Thank you, Anup.